Hello everyone, so today we have t equals to the square root of pq all over r minus r to the power of 2 times q, and we are to make q the subject of the relation. So if we are going to solve together, let's say solution. Our equation t is equals to pq over r minus r to the power of 2 times q. So we're going to square both sides of the equation, that is t to the power of 2 and again to the power of 2, so that the square and the square root will cancel out. That means t to the power of 2 is equals to pq over r minus r to the power of 2 times q, and we are fine. Thank you for viewing our videos. I would love to invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video so that more persons can have access to it. Thank you. Alright, let's continue. So this is over 1, and if we take the LCM, phi to the power of 2 will therefore be equals to, the LCM is r divided by r is 1, and 1 times pq, that is pq, minus r divided by 1, that is r, and r times r squared, that is r to the power of 3 and times q. And if you do this very one, t to the power of 2 will be equals to, what is common here is q. If we bring out q, pq divided by q, q will cancel out. What is left is p, minus r to the power of 3q divided by q, q will be cancelled out. What will be left will be r to the power of 3. We close this bracket, everything over r. And here, if we cross multiply, then it becomes r times t to the power of 2 is equals to q into p minus r to the power of 3. And this also can be written as q into p minus r to the power of 3 equals to r times t to the power of 2. And we're going to divide both sides by the coefficient of q, that is p minus r to the power of 3, also over p minus r to the power of 3, so that this will cancel out. What is left is q equals to r times t to the power of 2 over p minus r to the power of 3. And this is our answer. Thank you for staying tuned. Please click on the subscription button before you go. Alright, see you in our next video. Bye bye.